How to fix Instagram story bad video quality. Is your Instagram story uploading in low or blurry quality? Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Step 2. Tap the 3 lines in the top right, then open Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Scroll down to Data Usage and Media Quality. Step 4. Turn on Upload at Highest Quality. Step 5. Make sure your internet connection is stable, preferably Wi-Fi, before uploading stories. Step 6. If the issue continues, clear the app cache for Android or update the app to the latest version. Quick tip: record videos directly from the Instagram camera or export videos in 1080p from editing apps to avoid compression.